Good morning. It's another beautiful day here in Florida. Going for a walk. It's good for my heart, good for my brain, improves my day, helps me become more productive, improves the blood circulation in my body, in my legs, in my arms, helps my balance, helps my mind, helps cellular regeneration. Wow, that's a big word. Cellular regeneration. Just by walking and walking and walking. Sounds of nature. I know today's going to be a good day because I'm going to make it a good day. That's right. Going for a walk. Go home, enjoy my warm coffee. Maybe drink some tea later. Green tea. Green tea can really help my skin, can really help my brain. That cellular regeneration thing I was talking about. Green tea also does that. It helps you with depression. It helps you with a lot of things. You know, green tea, it's the way to be. Going for a walk, you know? It feels so nice to go for a walk. 2 legs, fresh air, no snow. I don't got nothing against snow, just it's really cold. And you can't really get a good walk out of it, you know. I've never known anybody to bust a sweat when it's snowing. But if you know somebody who does, let me know, you know. Well, if I stay on, I'm just going to become Babylon. So I'm Julie Marie, the Herbal Fairy. Go for a walk. It's really good for you. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye now. I'm Julie Marie, the Herbal Fairy. Hit subscribe below. Thank you. Go for a walk today.